Mercado San Camilo.
Yeah.
Okay, let's see. I spot juice. Juice.
Google section.
Oh shit, I got cheated. There's a whole freaking line of Google.
I thought you saw.
I didn't see. I thought there's only one Google shop, but my goodness. Juice, all the way as far as you can see.
Naranja y fresa
Strawberry and papaya.
y papaya de Arequipa.
Pineapple, yeah. How is there so many juice shops? All selling the same thing. It's testicles.
Oh really?
I think this is dried alpaca. Alpaca meat. Wow, of tripe and nuts.
Yes,
Oh wow. Where's the head? They say that there's 4,000 species of potatoes in the world, and about 3,000 are found in just Peru alone. And it is said that Peru is the first place that domesticated the potatoes for use. Check that out. Wild potatoes. Oh my god, at the size of this squid. Can you imagine how big it is gonna be? Cheese! At Ellie now. The mall. Heads are selling. Oh! Yeah, there you go. Sombrero section. Place before live animals. The floor when they sell live animals, I think the eggs here is gonna be opposite. Kui! I see guinea pigs. Here in Peru, they eat guinea pigs. Turkeys, ducks and kuis. Oh, I love the way they arrange all the sections. Oh, there's coca leaves for altitude sickness and to make cocaine. And the people here at the market here is not as friendly as the one in Mexico's. In Mexico, if they see that you're interested, what they'll do is they will just offer you something to try, or tell you what it is, knowing that you're not gonna buy anything from them. But here they just give you the top.
Nobody gives a shit about you.
Here they just give you the black face, sadly. A little bit upset. A little bit upset.
You can't even blame it on being Asian. Is that someone's eyeball?
Oh, we just bought some seeds for ahi and some locoto seeds. Hopefully they'll grow in Singapore. I'm not sure they will or not.
So
You have to seed them in about this deep of soil, wet soil, and they should grow to a small sprout in 8 to 10 days. This is for a reminder for me.
what else? I need sun. Is it full sun or need a bit shade or what?
Most chilies with full sun, just whether they can take the altitude, the shitty altitude we have in Singapore. That's the question.
Alright. Is there anything else you want to remind yourself?
No.
Okay.